New rumors about the budget iPhone SE2. There are more and more rumors about the new generation of the budget smartphone from Apple, iPhone SE2. The authoritative insiders predict the release of this smartphone next year. According to the publication, the new iPhone SE2 image renderers are slightly different from the original photos. The expert explained why the release of the budget iPhone SE2 is very profitable for Apple. As previously reported, the new smartphone will borrow the design of the iPhone 8, that is, the screen will get a fairly thick frame. You should also add a physical branded home button with a built-in Touch ID fingerprint scanner. It may look like iPhone SE2, what else is known? According to new leaks, the new smartphone will receive the hardware base of the iPhone 11, in particular the Apple A13 Bionic processor, which will be paired with 3 GB of RAM. Probably, the iPhone SE2 will be equipped with a screen with a diagonal of 4.7 inches and a resolution of 1334x750 pixels. Also, according to new data, the main camera along with the LED flash will be placed at a certain elevation relative to the plane of the rear panel. Therefore, the novelty will receive a camera with good optics and will shoot at approximately the same level as the current flagships. For other news related to events from the world of technology, gadgets, artificial intelligence, see the YouCook World channel.